Composting 101. Transforming waste into wealth. Welcome to sustainable living and eco-friendly practices.
Today, we'll be diving into Composting 101, exploring how you can turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost for your garden.
Whether you're new to gardening or experienced, composting is a simple and powerful way to reduce waste and enrich your soil. Let's get started. 1. What is composting? Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter, such as kitchen scraps and yard waste, into compost, a valuable fertilizer.
Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi break down these organic materials into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. 2. Or compost. Why should you start composting? Here are some compelling reasons. 1. Reduce waste. Around 30% of what we throw away is compostable. Composting helps divert waste from landfills.
2. Enrich your soil. Compost improves soil structure, moisture retention, and nutrient content, helping your plants grow healthier. 3. What can you compost? Let's look at what materials are compostable. Green materials, nitrogen-rich. Fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, grass clippings, and eggshells. Brown materials, carbon-rich. Dry leaves, cardboard, paper, and straw. A good compost mix involves 3 parts brown materials to 1 part green. 4. What not to compost. Some items can disrupt the composting process or attract pests. Avoid composting meat, dairy, and oily foods, pet waste, diseased plants. These materials can create unpleasant odors, attract animals, or introduce harmful pathogens. 5. How to start composting. Here's a simple guide to get started with composting. C. Choose a compost bin. You can buy or make a compost bin from materials like wood pallets or wire. Ensure the bin allows for good airflow. B. End layer materials. Start with a layer of brown materials, followed by green materials. Alternate layers as you fill the bin. C. Turn the compost. Turn your compost every few weeks with a pitchfork or shovel to aerate it, speeding up the decomposition process. D. Monitor moisture. The compost should be moist but not soggy. If it's too dry, add water or more green materials. If too wet, add more brown materials. E. How to use your compost. Once your compost is ready, usually after 3 to 6 months, there are several ways to use it. Mix it into your garden soil. Use it as a top dressing for plants. Make compost for a nutrient boost. In conclusion, composting is a wonderful way to transform waste into wealth for your garden. Not only does it reduce waste, but it also provides your plants with a natural, nutrient-rich fertilizer. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening and sustainability tips, and share your composting experiences in the comments below. Let's make our gardens greener together.